Welcome back. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in Milan, specifically in the Navigli district, famous for its cobblestone streets, twin canals and nightlife. The property we will see today is a villa in the Naviglio Pavese with a swimming pool, something really special for a city center. Are you ready? Come with me. We're now inside the property. By the entrance, you can access with your car, and if we keep going, we arrive to a second gate, after which you can park up to 4 cars. Let's go and see it. As soon as you walk inside, you notice this internal courtyard, which is a very special characteristic for a property in a city center. It is divided into 2 parts. This entrance part, perfect to park a few cars, and passing through that door, we get to another section dedicated to a swimming pool and relaxing area. This property is like a green oasis in the middle of Milan, with these walls covered with evergreen plants that create this beautiful atmosphere and make you forget that you are in the center of a city. The villa is approximately 660 square meters. Since it is so spacious and the owners are a couple, they live it as 3 separate units. One by the entrance, a second one just beside, and a third unit, which is an apartment on top. But since it is so spacious, there are so many possibilities, and it could also be lived as a one single unit. Let's start talking about the first unit, which has a beautiful courtyard in the front, then a stunning rooftop terrace, and in the back it has a special feature that we will discover soon. But now, let's first see it inside. And look at this space. It is now lived as a big living area that creates like one space with the external courtyards, thanks to these 8 big windows. It is lived on different levels. In fact, on this level we find this living room on my left with fireplace. Then on my right there is this dining table just beside a lower level with the kitchen. Then there are 2 mezzanine floors, one dedicated to a studio and another one to a piano. Through which we can access to the rooftop terrace. On this level there is an open space gym. Connected to the kitchen, passing through this door, we get to this really spacious, private and green courtyard. It is perfect to have a meal al fresco during the summertime or to organize a party with your friends. Imagine this area in the evening brightened up with some candles. So magical. Now that we're done with that part, I will show you the master bedroom. Passing through this door, we first find a bathroom that is used for the living areas. which is on my left. Then if we keep going, we get to the master bedroom first, and in the end, it's beautiful ensuite bathroom. Going up these stairs, we get to this mezzanine floor dedicated to this stunning tail piano. And then it arrives to another set of stairs that goes to the rooftop terrace. Let's go and see it. But before getting to the terrace, we find ourselves inside this beautiful conservatory, which has a kitchen on my right, perfect to organize barbecues in the summertime to then enjoy outside in this terrace. It also has a solarium area for sunbathing during the summertime. The rooftop terrace is also connected to this staircase that goes back into the courtyard, but also it stops on this part that is connected to the third unit, which is the apartment. And now we get to my favorite part of the property, which is this second courtyard with this very special 4 by 3 meters swimming pool, which is, as I already said, such a special feature for a property in the center of Milan. This is really the heart of the property, with these 2 big, beautiful lemon plants that are like the 2 guardians of the pool. They're now, of course, covered because we are in the winter time, but they will be soon uncovered in the warmer days. Have a look at this outdoor dining area, which is beautiful. And now, let's pass through the door and go inside the second unit. We're now inside the biggest unit out of the 3. In fact, it is 240 square meters, characterized by this beautiful, ample, open space living area, divided into 3 parts. This sitting area on my right, another sitting area over there, and passing through this arch, we get to this beautiful living area with a fireplace. Even though it is such a spacious room, it is at the same time really cozy and warm, perfect to relax. Before showing you the kitchen, I would like to tell you that the property has an independent heating and cooling system. Each of the 3 units has its own. Also, they have both security cameras and alarm system and a music system all over the property. Let's now pass through this arch and get to the dining room. With these beautiful vaulted ceilings and so much light. This is a dining room mostly for the winter time because in the summer days the owners have lunch or dinner by the pool. On my left there is a kitchen. From the kitchen we find a bathroom on my left and the stairs to go to the first floor. Let's go and see the bedrooms. We're now on the first floor where we find 3 bedrooms. One on my left, which has a bathroom right beside, and on the other side the access to the terrace that we will see later. Then up these stairs we get to a mezzanine floor with a second bedroom. And then we'll see the third bedroom. And look at this master bedroom. It has its own bathroom and mezzanine floor with walk-in wardrobe. Through this door we get to the terrace. Let's go and see it. And have a look at this beautiful terrace. It has its built-in, fully equipped kitchen, perfect for the summertime. And it has 3 accesses. One through the master bedroom, a second one by the entrance of the floor, which we already seen before, and a third one that brings to the last unit. It is about 90 square meters and it is an independent apartment. And this is the last unit with this beautiful parquet floor, kitchen, and on my right, a sitting area to relax. It also has a mezzanine floor that you access through these stairs, and it is used either as a walk-in wardrobe or as storage space. To my right, we arrive to the bedroom and bathroom on my left. A special aspect about this property is for sure the amount of external space, features, but especially privacy that it has. It's really versatile and it can be organized in many different ways. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope to see you soon here in Milan. Ciao!